What's up, everybody? Tomcat back here again. I don't know if you can hear the birds or not. Obviously, they flew past the camera, so I couldn't show them. Maybe you hear them, maybe you don't. I hear some noises from Hell Hotel. It's getting late, it's almost nightfall here. But nature is cool. That's the name of this video. Get out into nature. Tomcat will probably be here all night again. 'Cause why not? See if I can get the birds to show up. They're pretty loud, so I hope so, man. Other than these beer cans, this spot is beautiful, man. I may go to the cubby if I see any coyotes. I thought I saw one yesterday, but I don't know. But I heard some people near Hell Hotel, or at least close by. So I'm just trying to keep it low as I'm shooting a video, so I don't draw any attention to my spot. You know what's up. But yeah, nature is beautiful. Look at this mofro, man. Just gorgeous, guys. Anyway, I love you. I just want to make a video called Nature is Cool. Get out into it if you can. And that's what's up. I love you guys. Tomcat out.